for the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no channel for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears.
When it's on asphalt, that's like a Lincoln.
Oh, gotcha.
See the Lincoln thing?
Oh, I see it. Right. Pretty sweet. We are back at the shop. Sam's got his job going today. We got 2 chippers that we can both rent now from Tom, which is sweet. And we can rock and roll with less congestion as far as who needs what. We're ready to kill some blackberries.
Done. So get the milk the other side.
All right, this is section 1 of blackberries before that beast gets after them. Shot. The old time lapse. He's got a bite into it so far. Got a little bit of fine tuning around the trees to do with the hedger tomorrow, but looks pretty good. Welcome to my office where I drink things I ought not to. My brain is racing. Solid day at this job, solid day 1. We got a really good start. Got the goal done, which is to mulch all those blackberries. And Mike's actually gonna start climbing a little bit on the big digger pine, which we're gonna do on day 3. But he can pretty much let half of it just drop. So he's gonna get going on that, get us a little ahead of schedule, which is always good. And I'm gonna go take my bikes to the shop to get my graphics tossed on and do a little tinkering on them. So get that going. And the collarbone's feeling pretty good. So I've been slingless all day and it's feeling a little more normal every day. So I'm stoked about that. Look at these bad boys. Gonna get some work done today. Alright, bikes are loaded. Take these beasts to the shop and get some graphics and new seat covers tossed on, and we'll be in there like swimwear. Day 2. Morning. Alright, Mike's getting warmed up on tree 1 here. Getting these hangers out. So this, I think it was actually this one, maybe both. It fell in the house, and this is my first job here, getting all that off the house. And I think in the process it must have broken these guys. I don't know why we didn't grab it while we were here last time, but we're getting them now free of charge, because I should have. And then we're gonna keep rocking and rolling down the road. Got more trees to do. Getting a lot more house clearance on this one. Rocking and rolling. Great day. It was a success. Now we're gonna head to dinner for my dad's birthday in Roseville. I'm starving. Heading to some fancy Italian spot by the mall down in Roseville. So gonna get some food for my dad's birthday down in Roseville, and haven't really eaten much today, typical. So aside, today's job went good, day 2 out of day 3. Tomorrow is just gonna be about a half day, and we'll be wrapping up that job, and then much left of the weekend to have fun, do some YouTube stuff. So, man, this is dangerous business coming over these drones here. Got this one, that's sick, but I need this one too. This thing's zoom is pretty tight. What is it? I don't know what it is, but it's sweet. I like it. Hey, we made it. Hey, what's up? Happy birthday. Dang, got the party room here.
Yeah, the Pope room.
Okay, do your interrogation. It's good.
Day 3 out here. Gonna finish getting rid of this digger pine and a little cleanup around here, and we're out of this job.
Something, dude. Fuck me.
Bam.
Oh.
We just gotta pop that guy. Giving Mike a heart attack.
Thank you.
The claws weren't closing. We're like, why is this thing not working? Finished up our 3-day job in Pin Valley, which is awesome. Man, there's so many variables that could go wrong when you're at one job several days, but job went good. Gonna get some food at the folks' place now, and it's officially the weekend. Got tomorrow church, and back to work Monday.
What did you mean when you said
Was mine the same?
Well, so it wasn't just a still.
That doesn't count.
I lost. Probably 500. Played for like 2.5 hours. That's where we're at.
I won, actually.
Today is the Auburn demo day for the betas, which I've personally never ridden a beta bike. So that'll be fun. Gonna meet my dad down there and see what they're all about. And he's thinking about buying a new bike anyways someday. So we'll see how we like them. Be fun. Try not to get in too much trouble for doing wheelies. Turns out it's not in Auburn. That's where the store is at, but it's in Grass Valley, 174. So that's a bummer. We were heading the wrong way, but we're on our way now. All right, we made it to the right spot. All right, we made it. I'm actually pretty pumped. This place looks sick. I haven't actually ridden here ever. Looks like they got a little tabletop. See, I'll probably hit it. I feel pretty good today. Are you excited to ride some bikes? We even got them hanging from the trees.
Was that? Was that the 250?
That was this one, yeah.
That's the 250?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Which one you gonna ride now? There's 300.
Yeah.
Landon, right?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, no gas at all.
No gas at all?
taking a neighbor ride.
What's that?
He's taking some people out on a ride.
Oh, nice. I want to go.
No. What size is this one?
500.
How'd that feel?
Good. Man, that was a workout. That was fun though. I don't like beta as much as probably anything else, but they were fun to ride. I rode the 450, the 300, the 250. I don't know, another 250, maybe. I don't know what I rode. I rode like quite a few, but they were fun. I'm stoked that the collarbone's feeling good, and I hit the little baby double out there and tiny tabletop, so that was kind of fun. Just getting in the groove of things, and yeah, I don't want to overdo it, but so far my collarbone is like, don't do any more, but we're feeling pretty good.